we are diving deep into the hottest airdrop at the moment in the crypto and AI space. And the bad thing, guys, is we are so early. Not many people know about this project yet. So today we want to talk about the project called Grass. Grass could attract already over 700,000 users in the last months. And in this video, I will explain what the project is all about. We have a lot to cover today, including some background on the data wars in the AI space and why projects like Grass are essential for an open and controllable AI model. At the end of the video, I will explain you how you can get the airdrop for the upcoming token. So without further ado, let's dive right in, guys. In today's world, AI technology is at the forefront of innovation, driving change in various sectors. However, challenges like data privacy and centralized control persist. Companies like Google and OpenAI build huge AI models from datasets to which they don't even have the property rights. Think about all the Twitter data that OpenAI uses. They never ask users or Twitter for permission.
Say that again?
Yes, these AIs are all trained on copyrighted data, obviously.
So you think it's a lie when OpenAI says that this is not, none of these guys say they're training on copyrighted data?
That's a lie.
Exactly, that is where Grass project comes in. Grass aims to address all these issues heads-on by establishing a decentralized network that revolutionizes data collection and utilization for AI development. Grass at its core is a decentralized network that leverages unused internet bandwidth from individuals like you and I to create a vast ethical source of data for AI training. It also rewards individuals for their contributions with Grass points. This dual-purpose approach is not just a technical breakthrough, but a paradigm shift in AI and blockchain interactions. This means nothing more than that you as a regular user can contribute your unused internet bandwidth to the network and thereby the creation of the data foundation for future decentralized AI models. With the help of your bandwidth, the Grass network is able to scrape web data, which is then provided to companies and non-profit organizations for training their decentralized AI models. The decentralized nature of Grass addresses key challenges in AI, such as data accessibility and reliability. Security and privacy are paramount in Grass design. Its decentralized approach minimizes risks associated with central points of failure. Users can contribute without compromising their data privacy, as the system only uses the necessary bandwidth without accessing personal information. To make sure Grass customers don't use its users' bandwidth for malicious activities, the platform maintains strict standards about who qualifies to use the network. Chris Nguyen, the CTO, said that all buyers have to go through a rigorous vetting process, and Grass only accepts vetted organizations such as non-profit AI data repositories and incorporated companies that pass Know Your Customers check. The confidence of investors in the Grass project is furthermore highlighted by the involvement of leading venture capital firms like Polygon Capital and Tribe Capital. Their support not only validates the potential of the Grass project, but also signals its strong prospects for growth and impact within the decentralized AI space. Next, let's talk about the potential upcoming airdrop of the Grass token everyone is waiting for. So far, the Grass app has been doing really well. With over 700,000 active users around the world, the project seems to get mass adopted pretty soon, which is perhaps a testament to the trust users are placing in it. As for the airdrop, it represents a significant opportunity for early adopters. Grass strategy seems to be focused on fairly distributing tokens to those of you who actively participate in the network's growth. This could be through various means, including the use of the platform, referrals, or other contributions that help to strengthen and expand the network. At the moment, you can actually earn Grass points via the Chrome extension, which could be converted into Grass tokens later on. So if you want to participate, just go to your Chrome browser extension and type in Grass extension and you should see it already. If you have downloaded the extension, the next thing you have to do is to sign up using my link in the description down below. At the moment, the sign-up process to the application is gated and can be only accessed by using referral links from content creators. So if you click on the link in the description down below, the referral link is already included and you just need to sign in using your username, email and password. then you are already set up to earn your first Grass points. Currently, I'm earning up to 2,000 points a day, and I think it's a great opportunity to participate early in the network without paying anything, so there's actually no risk of losing any money. Additionally to the Chrome extension, the team will also publish an Android app in the upcoming months, where you will be able to add your mobile phone and other devices to your existing account. The vision of Grass extends beyond just creating a new marketplace for bandwidth. It's about establishing a new paradigm shift where everyone can contribute and benefit from the AI revolution. For everyone interested in the Grass project, now is the time to engage with the community, understand the technology and prepare for the upcoming airdrop. However guys, as I'm not a financial advisor, don't forget to do your own due diligence as well. And with that we conclude our overview of the Grass project. What are your thoughts on this innovative approach to decentralizing AI data collection? Make sure to comment down below, like and subscribe, and see you until next time. Your Cryptocat-Guru.